Hello everyone, Denise Carpenter from ReikiAssociates.com here. And today we're going to work a little bit more with those elemental vortices we talked about in last week's video. What I thought we would do today is an actual Reiki sending, or we'll have a Reiki session. And I will focus on the vortices while we bring the energy of them through our chakras. And I know that sounds a little confusing, but I'll help you. So we'll do, I'll put the timer on. We'll do 2 minutes for each one. We'll start with 3 cleansing breaths. And then once we're there, I would like you to just leave your eyes closed if you can. And then just imagine your chakra system. We're just going to do the 7 that are within our physical body. And remember that the vortices work with our physical body in a way to cleanse, restore, help the cells recover, and then become more vital. So we're going to work with clearing our physical body using the vortices in relation to our chakra system. That'll all make sense once we do this. So let us begin. So let's start with 3 of those deep breaths. So we're going to breathe in through our crown. Just bring white energy in through your crown, all the way down to the second chakra. Hold for the count of 1, 2, 3. And when you exhale, you can exhale it down your legs and out your feet, or you can exhale it from your second chakra into your aura, whichever works best for you. So we'll do 3 more. So breathe in through your crown, white energy, down to the second chakra. Hold for the count of 1, 2, 3. And exhale, either down through your feet or into your aura. Another deep breath in, down to the second chakra. Hold for the count of 1, 2, 3, and exhale. Last one, deep breath in, down to the second chakra. Hold for the count of 1, 2, 3, and exhale. Now, if you can picture or know, depending on, sometimes people can't picture. So if you can picture your 7 major chakras within your body, that's wonderful. See them colors and with their colors fully functioning. And if you can't, just sit in the resonance of each chakra as we go through this. So for 2 minutes, we're going to start by opening up the elemental vortices. That's the ether one. So that's at the top of the head. So I'm going to do that part, and I'm going to direct the energy of the vortices through your chakras. So your job is just to stay connected with your chakra system. We'll start at the crown and we'll just work our way down. We're going to take 2 minutes to do each vortex. So that's going to be 5 times. We're going to do the 5 vortices. So you'll be sitting for 10 minutes just holding your conscious awareness within your chakra system. And I would just you've got 2 minutes with each vortice. So I would just imagine it with your crown, imagine it with your third eye, bring it to your throat, your heart, third chakra, second chakra first. And if we're still going, I would just repeat it. Then just bring it back to your crown, third eye, throat, heart, third, second, first. And then the buzzer will go, and then we'll move to the next vortice, which is the air. And then we're just going to repeat that same idea. So let us begin. So close your eyes, go within, and just envision or know or sense or be with, however your consciousness works, with your chakra system. I'm going to open the etheric vortice, and we're just going to beam using Reiki, the energy of the vortice, through your crown chakra, through your third eye, throat, heart, third, second root. We're still with the ether vortice. Visualize it filling your crown, third eye, throat, heart, third, second root. One more time. We're still with the ether vortice, flowing down through your crown chakra, filling your third eye chakra, filling your throat chakra, filling your heart, third, second, and your root. Now I'm just seeing it as like a tube of that beautiful ether vortice energy mixed with the Reiki energy. They're just clearing, cleaning all those chakras and empowering them. If you find a certain chakra wants it to be there a bit longer, do that. So let's do one more pass. So the ether vortice through the crown chakra, third eye, throat, heart, third, second, and first. Okay, stay eyes closed, stay in your chakra system. Now we're going to do the air vortice. So I'll start the air vortice, we'll open it. That's in through your throat. We're going to bring the air vortice in through your crown, the energy of the air vortice in through your crown. Feels slightly different, doesn't it? Crown, third eye. This one moves slower. Throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral, and root. And let's do one more pass with the air vortice. So we've got the air vortice open, and it's going to work through your chakras and into your elemental body, through your crown, third eye. Wants us to go even slower this time. Throat, heart chakra, solar plexus. Oh, it wants us to stay at the solar plexus just for a little bit, so stay there. Let the air vortice do its work there. Second chakra. And then the root. Stay with the root. The air chakra is working in the root. Wonderful. Next vortice is at the heart, and it's the fire vortice. Fire. So we're going to be the elemental vortice of fire to the crown chakra. Third eye. Throat. Heart. Boy, that's strong there. The heart chakra, the fire vortice with the heart chakra, that's strong, strong, strong. Solar plexus. Sacral chakra. And root chakra. Okay, the next vortice is at your hips. It's kind of in the pelvic area, and it's water. So stay with your chakra system. Stay there. We're going to open up the water vortice, and we'll channel it through the crown chakra. The third eye chakra. The throat chakra. The heart chakra. Solar plexus chakra. The water element, the elemental vortice of water through the solar plexus chakra. The sacral chakra. Restoring, cleansing, empowering. And then the root chakra. The elemental vortice of water, cleansing, restoring, and empowering the root chakra. And then our final one is the earth chakra, and that, or the earth vortices, I'm sorry, and that's at the bottom of your feet. So stay in your chakra system and imagine that elemental earth vortice. It wants to come up. So we'll start the elemental earth vortice at your root chakra. Cleansing, restoring, empowering the root. The sacral chakra. Solar plexus chakra. Cleansing, restoring, empowering. Heart chakra. The elemental root, the Elemental Earth Vortice at the heart chakra. Throat chakra. We're still with the Elemental Earth Vortice at the throat chakra. Third eye chakra. And finally the crown, the Elemental Earth Vortice at the crown chakra. This one feels so very grounding, but we've also done the other 4 elementals. It's hard to say. So this is an exercise you can repeat often. Just follow the video. If you need help with it, you can email me, ReikiAssociates@gmail.com. You can go on the website. There's contact information there, ReikiAssociates.com. And we'll see you next week. Namaste.